HDMI to RCA cable, HDMI to 3, RCA video audio, AV cable connector, adapter cable transmitter. For TV HD TV DVD, HDMI to RCA cable is designed to convert HDMI high-definition digital audio and video signals into AV composite video signals, NL. Our stereo audio signals converts HDMI signals to TVS monitors with AV connectors. Please pay attention to the signal transmission direction of the conversion cable. It only supports one-way transmission from the HDMI output end to the RCA input end, and cannot transmit from the RCA end to the HDMI end. The HDMI output is connected to a TV box or high-definition player, and the RCA input is connected to a TV or monitor.